group project, our group has chosen Farm Fresh vending machine as our group project title. So introducing our group.
First of all, introduction. Electronic machine used to dispose of product to a consumer after a certain amount of money has been put into the machine. Vending machines are commonly used to disperse beverages and snack items. But in recent years, companies have introduced vending machines that disperse other items, even including electronic items such as digital camera or iPod. What nearly all vending machines have in common is three things. First of all is the payment system, the delivery system, and the storage system. The first one is the payment system. It handles cash like bills and coins. The second is the delivery system. It handles and delivers your selection in a pre-programmed quantity. It's true for package like snack machines. The last component is storage system. Storage system is so that the machine can vend more than one item.
And now I would like to explain about the flow chart.
Firstly, they need to select the product. Can choose from choice 1 or choice 2 and enter the product code. If the product available, they need to insert the desired money for selected product. If the product is not available, they need to reselect the product. If they enter the right amount, the machine will deliver the selected product and return excess amount of money if available. If they didn't enter the right amount, they can cancel the request or they can insert the desired money. If they cancel the request, the inserted amount of money will be returned. So, this is the flowchart of choice 1 and choice 2. Here we have display for choice 1 with its code. Here we have 01 for UHT original milk, 02 for UHT chocolate milk, 03 for UHT kurma, and 04 for UHT coffee latte. For choice 2, we have 05 for UHT mixed berry yogurt drink, 06 for UHT strawberry yogurt drink, and 07 for UHT mango yogurt drink. Here we have flowchart for get choice 1. This is choice 1 where we call it as get choice 1. The user need to enter the code 01 if they want the item UHT original milk. If not, they need to enter 02 if they want UHT chocolate milk, and so on. The item will be processed and insert money Rm3 ringgit for the UHT milk. And now we have flowchart for get choice 2. If the user enter the code from 01 to 04, we need to call get choice 1. If they enter the code from 05 until 07, then they can process 2 UHT yogurt drink. If 05, then the the MOHD mixed berry yogurt drink will be processed and IZZAT MARIANI RM RM3.50.
And next, for the logic negation, which is we let T equals to code is incorrect. Negation T equals to code is incorrect or invalid. The truth table at here shows that T equals to 1 and the negation T equals to 0. While if the T equals to 0, the negation T equals to 1. And next, for the logic condition. On the logic condition, we determine T as a code is correct. The negation T we determine as a code is incorrect, and the D we determine as drop item, and for the C we determine as a call another get choice, which is at here we have if the customer choose the D, which is the code is correct, then it will drop the item. And then if the code was incorrect or invalid, the code will show C, which is called another get choice, which is the get choice 2. You can refer on the truth table at here. We can conclude that T goes to D, which is the true. When they choose the true, it goes to the drop item, is a contingency. When if we can conclude that negation T goes to get another choice, is contingency. Negation T goes to get another choice is not logically equivalent to T goes to drop the items. Okay, and then I will explain to you about the sets. The set we have two choice, which is choice 1 and choice 2. Which is choice 1 we determine as a A, and the choice 2 we determine as B. Okay, on the Venn diagram that we have at here, for the A, for the choice 1, which is A, it consists of 4 elements, which is 01, 02, 03, and also the 04. For the choice 2, which is B, it contains 3 elements, which is 05, 06, and 07. And the cardinality of A consists of 4 elements, which is the cardinality was 4. And then for the B, the cardinality was 3.
Here we can understand there are 3 types of function. First of all, injection, which is 1-to-1, surjection, which is 1-to, and the third is bijection. As you can see, for example, for A, if you enter 0, 1, you will get UHD original milk. And the second, if you enter 0, 2, you will get UHD chocolate milk, and so on and so forth. The domain for the function is 0, 1, which is the code, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, and 0, 5. Codomain, which the functions with the input are translated to are UHD original milk, UHD chocolate milk, UHD kurma, UHD cafe latte, and so forth. For the range, each of the input have its own output, so the codomain and the range are the same, which is UHD original milk, UHD chocolate milk, UHD kurma, and so forth.
Okay, today I want to introduce to you on how to use this vending machine, which is we put this 3 ringgit into this vending machine. Okay, and right now I will choose the 2 ringgit 50 cent, which is the mixed berry. Okay, I enter the code number 4. Okay, then I enter it. It will choose it, and then it will drop the item. So the balance. Okay, when the item has been dropped, just take it. Okay, enjoy your drink.